Hey, what's going on YouTube? For anybody that has a Soundstream radio that they bought, probably on eBay, which is where I got mine. When I bought this, I was originally having trouble getting it to turn on when I installed it in my car. Um, if you're having this issue, the problem is most likely going to be your ignition wire or the red wire. So check your red wire harness to see if you have any power from the car. And if you don't, you have to run it to your fuse box. I'm in a Pontiac Grand Am, and the red fuse box. I'm sorry, the fuse box is just located on either that side or that side of the door. So, yeah, that's what I have it hooked into. I'm not really sure why it's that way, but yeah. Hope this video helped you out. Thank you.